The key theme of the week, just speaking to people away from the meetings, has been the importance of being niche and having the ability to talk your client's language. A lot of guys who I've talked to this week has talked about how that's come in handy when discussing projects with clients. It's having the ability to go in there and talk their language, have a conversation with a client who understands that you know what you're talking about when it comes to this industry. And I think that's something a lot of photographers or videographers who want to work with businesses don't really do. And clients are afraid to spend money with you when you don't talk their language, when they feel like they got to explain their business too much to you. If you go in there and you know their business, it makes them confident in your ability to deliver what you say you can deliver at the price you say you can deliver it at. The more of a specialist you are, the more you can be reassuringly expensive. Brain surgeons make way more than general doctors, but they specialize in something. When you're ready to spend money, you want a specialist. You don't want a generalist. When you want a cheap price, you're okay with a generalist.